good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone watching around the world. I'm happy to be with you here today, and I hope you are all safe. Our lecture today, it's a very interesting topic. It's about the future of dentistry from the digital era to the smart era. As we all know, the word digital is always associated with a computer. If you have anything, you have to use it on the computer, then it's digital or digitized. So digital is associated with computer or computer generated. Few years ago, a digital dentistry revolution happened. This is because of the advancement in the biomechanical engineering of materials, advances in computer hardware, as well as software. And this led to the digital dentistry revolution. So what are the components of digital dentistry? This is not my topic today, but this is just an intro to be acquainted with what is digital dentistry. We have the digital acquisition, starting from DSL cameras, cone beam CTs, scanners, whether intraoral or lab scanners, facial scanners, of course, which is a very hot topic nowadays. So these are the main acquisition or diagnostic parts of the digital dentistry. We have the next step in digital dentistry, what we call the digital planning, using a software where we combine all these modalities together using a registration, and we can start our planning. And the final step in digital dentistry is digital manufacturing, either by milling using a CAD/CAM device, or by printing layer by layer, or building up layers using the 3D printer. So